If you want to learn English, if you want to be a fluent speaker, then you have to practice. There is no alternative way without practicing. Practice is a key of learning English. Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome back to my another brand new video. It's me Tamim. Right now I'm standing in the open field. As you can see, the fields are surrounded me. Today's weather is completely fresh. That's why I am overwhelmed here, and I like very much this kind of natural setting. So today I would love to talk about an important secret. The secret is practice is a key of learning English. If you want to learn English, if you want to be a fluent speaker, then you have to practice. There is no alternative way without practicing. If you want to be a fluent speaker without practicing, I can assure that you won't be fluent speaker. So what you should do for practicing English? You can go to the nature, you can go to the open field, you can make your environment like this way. Now I am making my environment for practicing. If I think no, it is not necessary for me, it is not exact or environment for practice, if I think like that, then I want to make this video. Now I am in the field, the sun is rising. I can't see it properly, but I can give the excuse. Actually, the sun is rising, the sun is touches my body, and I can't see the properly because of light of sun. If I give the excuse, I have to facing my difficulties. I have to carry my weakness. So I have to assure that I have to make my mind. I have to keep in my mind that if I want to be public speaker, if I want to be a fluent speaker, then I have to assure that I have to practice at any cost. That's why last couple of days ago I have taken a decision. The decision is I have to make a video in every single day. If I make more than one video, it will be good, okay, but at any cost I have to make one video in every single day. If I make a video in every single day, it will be really better for me. In this way I can improve my speaking English, and I am making this video in order that I can improve my English. Dear viewers, if you just watching video, if you just listening the English conversation or motivation, you want to be speaking English. I do not want to make it more longer. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay connected with Tamim's English Care. Bye bye.